What is affiliate marketing? What is this MCA affiliate marketing program that I keep hearing about? Can I make money with this affiliate marketing program? Why should I join this affiliate marketing program? What's up, guys? Listen, if you're thinking about those questions, by the way, my apologies, that was rude. I'm Melanie Winston. Thanks for checking out my video. But if you're interested in the answers to some of those questions, you're going to want to stick around to the end of this video, because in this video, I'm going to be going over some information in regards to those questions, hopefully to clear up those answers for you. That's going to be right after this intro. Check it out. All right, now that the intro is smoothly transitioned through. All right, so a lot of people have been asking me questions about what is affiliate marketing, because I talk about affiliate marketing, and what is this MCA affiliate program, and can I make money off of it, and why is it a good time to join, right? Those are all very great questions that I believe that anybody who's investing in any type of business or any type of home-based business, those are questions that you should be asking, right? Because there are a lot of things out here that are just illegitimate. Let's just be honest. There are a lot of illegitimate things out here, and you want to make sure you do your due diligence before you're investing your money that you work so hard for. You want to make sure that you're making those proper investments. So like I said, in this video, I'm going to cover some of those things. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is pretty much when a company or a person has a product or service, right? They've created this amazing product, they've created this amazing service, and they just want other people to help them sell it, right? And when other people sell those services or those products, they get a percentage. They get a commission for those sales, right? Depending on what company you're with, the commission percentages can vary. With the particular program that I'm going to be referencing today, which is MCA Motor Club of America, we receive 200% commissions on each sale that we make. Now, in this video, I'm going to be pretty much talking about the total security plan, which is our most popular package. Is $39.90 up front, $19.95 a month after that. But we get, like I said, 200% commission. So 200% commission from a $40 investment. You sell one of those services, you're making $80. You've already made your money back and you're in profit. It takes a lot. It takes the average business about 3 to 5 years before they see a profit. So already off the break, you already can see that, MCA Motor Club of America is a very lucrative opportunity. You don't have to sit around and wait years before you go into profit. After your first sale, right, pretty much you're already in profit. So that's what affiliate marketing is. Now, the MCA Motor Club of America program, it's a roadside assistant / travel company, right? And when I say travel because they cover you when you're traveling out on the roads. Let's say if you're visiting family in another state and something happens, you're covered there, right? It's kind of like insurance, but it's roadside assistance attached to it, right? So with the roadside assistance, you get so many different benefits. Unlimited towing up to 100 miles. And when I say unlimited, I mean like your car can break down today and you need to get it towed 73 miles, and then your car can be up and running in 2 days from now. It can break down again and you need to be towed another 73 miles. You're not going to get charged extra with that. I know a lot of other roadside assistance companies would charge you extra, but not with MCA Motor Club of America. You get battery boost, fuel delivery, tire change, lockout services, so many different benefits, right? For the $19.95 that you're going to be paying per month. So I'm going to drop a link in the description that it's of a video that I recorded, and it goes over the benefits. So I'll drop that information just so you can see more of what the benefits that you're going to be getting is going to be, right? And so then you think, why now? Why is now a good time? Okay, we're in the information age, right? Things are completely shifting. Everything is moving more towards technology based. So for instance, today, Toys R Us, they announced that they were going out of business. You know how many employees are going to be impacted from that, right? And why are they going out of business? Internet-based things, right? Amazon is putting them out of business. Same thing with Sam's Club. A couple months ago, Sam's Club made an announcement that they were closing down so many stores, right? And a lot of employees were affected by that as well. Why? Because Amazon came in, and now people are more prone to spending their money when it's convenient, right? You can get off work, you can go on your lunch break, you can be at home laying in bed, you can pick up your phone, log into a laptop or something and go shop. That's just so much more convenient, and Amazon is actually cheaper. So Companies like Walmart, Sam's Club, Best Buy, all of these different companies, they're going to be impacted by this Amazon wave that's rolling through, right? So why is now a good time to be involved with an affiliate marketing program? Because all of those people who are losing their jobs, guess what? They're now looking for something else that can benefit them. Maybe they were working with that company for 15, 17 years, maybe 20 or 30 years, and some people were even reaching retirement, right? They're not going to get their retirement. Why? Because the company is out of business. So you want to, as you can see, everything, like I said, is moving more technology based. So you want to get your space in this internet realm, right? We're still very, very, very early in the whole internet phase. You know, it's still about maybe 20 years in. And I know you may say 20 years, that's a long time, but it's really not. We're still at the beginning of it. So why not get your space? Why not get involved with a business that you can build a brand with, that you can help other people who are in the need of some extra cash? They say an extra $500 a month can save the average person from going into bankruptcy, foreclosure on their home. Why not position someone who may be in a position to lose their job to start earning some extra income part-time at home, simply doing things? You don't have to do as much as I do, right? You can post ads on social media, you can run solo ads, you can run Facebook ads. There's so many different ways that you can market this thing. If you want to do offline, if you're more of a one-on-one type person, you love people, you don't mind going out and interacting with people, you can go do offline marketing and sell just the benefits, right? There's so many different ways you can market it. But why MCA? Because MCA is it's a very good price point to come in. It's only $40, right? Most companies at the bare minimum is at least $100. $40 to come in. You get paid every single Friday directly to your bank account, right? Direct deposit. As long as you put in the work the previous week, that next Friday you can guarantee that you're going to have a check coming in, right? And that's something that you have to go out there and you have to get it. So if you're not a go-getter, if you're not self-motivated, if you don't want to be better, if you don't want to do better, then I'm just going to tell you MCA is not the program for you. If you're not willing to push everything that you think you know to the side and learn some new information and learn some new skill sets, MCA is not for you. If you are kind of like, I don't really know, maybe I should give this a try, maybe you should give it a try. But I challenge you to go a step further and don't give it a try, just go for it, right? Because if there are people out here who are literally earning $1,500, $2,500, $3,000 checks every week. I mean, some people earn $77 checks. I say $77 because there's a $3 processing fee. So yeah, you got $80, but it's a $3 processing fee. So there's some people out here earning $77. Some people earning $154 a week, $560 a week. I mean, the income opportunity is unlimited, right? You get out what you put in. So why not MCA? Why not put yourself involved with a company that's been around since 1926, right? The company is not going anywhere at all. It's roadside assistance. As long as we have cars, we're going to need this product. And you may not be passionate about selling roadside assistance products, but what you could be passionate about, if you have a big heart like me, is just simply helping people, simply sharing this information with someone, and it could change their life, right? So if you want more information on MCA and what it is that we're doing, I'm going to drop a link in the description. Just click that link in the description below. Go in and put in your name, your email address. Just take a look at the information, review it. If you have any questions, connect with me on Facebook. I'm going to drop that link in the description too. Send me a message on Facebook. Ask me any questions you have. Or if you're just like, Melanie, I've watched enough videos about MCA. I'm ready to join a winning team. I'm ready to join with a sponsor who's going to give me the right tools and resources that I need to be successful, right? The right support, have a great team. Again, click the link in the description below. Set up your account. Send me an email. Let me know that you signed up, and I'll go ahead and get you into my Facebook group, my secret Facebook group, where I'm helping other MCA passion pursuers use MCA to build an income so that they can start pursuing things that they're really interested in. I hope you found some value in here. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button so you can receive notifications whenever I upload my next video. And give me a thumbs up, give me a like on this video, drop me a comment, let me know that you found some value here. And if you've been watching me for a while, maybe you haven't, maybe this is your first time, I have a mission of helping 1,200 families earn income online, right? And I can't get that done by myself. It's gonna have to be a team effort. So even maybe you aren't interested in MCA, maybe you aren't interested in making extra income, but maybe somebody on one of your friends list, someone on your friends list maybe. So if you could just share this information out for me, whether it's on Twitter, Google Plus, right? Facebook, it doesn't matter. Just share this video link out, and so that we can help get this message out. Again, thank you for checking out my video. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Go ahead and click the link in the description if you haven't, and go ahead and set up your account so you can go ahead and make this money. And I'm gonna go ahead and get off of this. Peace.